as a YouTuber, I'm super excited about all of the changes that YouTube is making next year to make it more profitable for YouTube creators. So something that a lot of YouTube creators have been waiting for is for YouTube Shorts to be able to be monetized. And in a few months going into 2023, YouTube Shorts are actually going to be able to be monetized. So this is going to open up a lot more earning potential for YouTubers. But not only that, they are opening up other avenues for creators to start earning more money from the platform, far as live streaming, doing donations, doing membership sites, all these things. But some of the things they already have, but they're really adding to that and really promoting multiple ways to start earning money as a YouTuber. And with all of these things going on, it just really puts me in the go mode mindset, right? Like, I'm to the point now with YouTube, a year from now, I want to be making a full-time income strictly from YouTube itself, right? I'm not talking about affiliate marketing commissions. I'm not talking about brand deals. I'm not talking about online business stuff. From YouTube, I want to be generating a full-time income strictly from the platform. And I feel like unless they start doing some crazy drastic stuff, YouTube is giving people the opportunity to make this a reality, right? Now, I ain't crazy. It's a lot of competition. Everybody and their mama starting YouTube channels, right? But I like that competition. I like the challenge to be able to create good content and show consistency, show volume, show creativity, and just really smash YouTube. Because I'm actually excited because I have three main YouTube channels. I have this channel, I have a fitness channel, and I have a music channel, right? So next year, there's no excuse why between all of these channels, I shouldn't be making a full-time income with all of the new income streams that YouTube is providing. Oh, it's going down. It is going all the way down, right? So if you are a YouTuber or thinking about jumping on YouTube, like, I would recommend going hard. Next year, in a few months actually, when YouTube Shorts are monetized, when they open up all the ways that people can donate to you if they like your content, like, this is the time. Like, now you can honestly say, without a doubt, somebody asks you, what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to do with your life? What are you doing? You can be like, yo, I'm a YouTuber. Straight up. You can say that shit with a straight face. I'm a YouTuber. Yeah. I got a YouTube business. You know what I'm saying? I market on YouTube. I have a YouTube channel. All of these things now are legit jobs, careers, and business opportunities now. So I'm super excited about hitting my YouTube money goals next year. Now I want you to comment below and let me know, what are your YouTube goals?